Good morning, class. Everyone, please rise, and Angela, please lead for the opening prayer. Again, good morning, class. How are you today? Okay, that's great. Now, please take your seat, everyone. Is there any absent from the class today? Are you sure? Class, kindly count off to see if there's any absent for the class today. Okay, very good. There's no absent for the class today. Let's give ourselves a good job clap. Before we are going to start our discussion for today, let's have first our agreement. First, what will you do if your teacher is talking here in front? Yes, Lanilyn? Very good. Again, Jenny Mariel, what will you do if there's someone talking here in front? Okay, that's right. If there's someone talking here in front, you should listen attentively. How about if you want to answer? Yes, Michelle? Very good. Again, Reina, what will you do if you want to answer? Yes, very good. If you want to answer, just raise your right hand. Next, what will you do if your teacher will give you a group activity? Yes, Lara? Excellent. Again, Sheila, what are you going to do if your teacher will give you an activity? Very good. So everybody, read the agreement on the board. Okay, class? Always remember our agreement until we finish our class for today. Understand? Anyone in the class who can recall what was our lesson yesterday? Yes, Rodel? Very good. Now, I have here a scrabbled letters. I will group you into two groups. Each group will be given a scrabbled letters, and I will give you only 3 minutes to answer. And now, you may start. Very good. Everybody got the correct answer. Let's give ourselves a good job clap. GOODJOB, good job. Good job. Now, read the following words on the board. Based on the picture shown in front, what do you think our topic for today? Yes, Jane? Very good. Our topic for today is all about landform. Anyone in the class who can explain what landform is? Yes, Glory? Excellent. In this morning, we will tackle about the different kinds of landforms. We will also discuss their features. Now, class, kindly read the definition of landforms. Okay, very good. Landforms are the natural or artificial feature and shape exist on the earth. So now, I will give you an activity. I have pasted the different pictures of landforms in the blackboard. All of you have to do is write the names of the given pictures. Group yourselves into two groups. Pick 4 representatives to paste the pictures in the blackboard. Now, class, are you ready? Okay, time starts now. Okay, time's up. Whose group finished first? Let's give them a good job clap. GOODJOB, good job. Good job. Okay, class, kindly read the words written in the board. Very good. All the groups got the correct answer. Okay, this time, we will identify different landforms on the Earth's surface. Anyone who can give the 8 different kinds of landforms? Yes, May? Very good. The 8 different kinds of landforms are plateaus, hills, mountains, islands, highlands, desert, grasslands, plains, and valleys. Now, first, what is plateaus? Is there any answer? Yes, Maria Ellen? Excellent! Plateaus are landforms that rise sharply above the land with steep sides. Many are flat on top. Next, what is hills? Anyone who wants to answer? Yes, Jenicel? Very good! Hills in general are lower than mountains. They are no longer higher than 1,000 feet above the sea level. Okay, class, let's continue. What is mountains? Who wants to answer? Yes, Reina Lynn. Very well said. Mountains are masses of land that rise above the areas around them, like for instance, the Mount Everest. It also known as the world's highest mountain. Now, let's talk about islands. Anyone who has an idea? Yes, Andrea. Excellent! Islands are land masses completely surrounded by water. They are usually smaller than continents. Next, what is highlands? Who has an idea? Yes, Lizelle, you're raising your hand. Do you have any idea? Okay, thank you, Lizelle. The mountain, hills, and plateaus are known as highlands. Example of this is the Himalayas. Now, let's continue. Who among you class has an idea about dessert? Yes, Marilyn. And can you give an example of a dessert? You're right. Desert are regions that are so dry that most people, animals, and plants cannot live. Let's give Marilyn a Genesia clap. Next, when you hear the word grasslands, what comes in your mind? Anyone who wants to answer? Yes, Angelica. Excellent. Grasslands are areas where the vegetation is dominated by grasses. Grasslands occurs naturally on all continents except Antarctica and are found in most ecoregions of the Earth. Now, last but not the least, what is plains and valleys? Who has an idea? Yes, Princess. Wonderful. You're right. Grasslands. What comes in your mind? Anyone who wants to answer? Yes, Angelica. Excellent. Grasslands are areas that our vegetation is dominated by grasses. Grasslands occur naturally on all continents except Antarctica and are found in most ecoregions of the Earth. Now, last but not the least, what is plain and valleys? Who has an idea? Yes, Princess. Wonderful. You're right. Plains and valleys are the areas in the lowlands. The different landforms in Earth are very important and valuable because we are living here and these landforms gives us the areas we can reside on. In your own opinion, does landforms important in everyone's life? If there's any questions and clarification, just raise your right hand. Now class, we are going to have a short quiz. Get 1/4 sheet of paper and write only the letter of the correct answer. And for your assignment, please copy this on your notebooks. And that's all for my demonstration teaching. Thank you for watching.